I loved Koufinisi, but I have really fallen in love with a lot more of the rawness of it. We had a great time exploring Koufinisi, and as you can see, it's still a little bit breezy, but it's time to move on. We have a little window that we can make to either Naxos or Despotiko. So it's going to be anywhere from an hour to a 6-hour day roughly, and let's just hope for fair winds and calm seas.
There's enough wind there. 1, 2, 3.
Those are big rollers. Well, we have run out of wind. That happens. So what I'm gonna do, I know we're gonna have some veggie stir fry tonight, so I'm actually going to pre-make some rice and stick that in my fridge so it's ready, and then we're calm enough seas. I'm going to slice up some carrots, some zucchini, onions, and peppers, whatever else I'm gonna throw into this, and ginger, of course. So when we show up, all I have to do is throw it in the pot, heat it up, and we have fresh stir fry. Perfect timing. So Cass came down, gave me a hey, you have about 10 minutes to finish chopping, which I did. It was perfect. And he said, then we're gonna be back in on the wind. So we are now getting into the wind.
24.2 knots.
24.2 knots, and it's time to set sail again. Oh, I didn't record any of that. Well, we put a scrap of head sail out. I forgot to hit record, but check it out because it's getting a little sporty up in here.
All right, so here's just a quick note from me. The sailing's kind of a cool thing. We're out here today. It's got we got about anywhere from 18 to 25 knots. Sea state is not bad at all. Little bit chopped up, but not too bad. It's all right off the beam, so The wind and waves are on the beam, so it's a pretty comfortable sail. But the biggest point is 3 years ago I didn't even know how to sail, and now I'm out here and I've got some guy chasing me down behind me, got a couple of guys up ahead in front of me, and we've gone from not knowing how to do any of this stuff, not knowing where the lines were, what they did, what sails did, and how to do any of this, to out here having an easy, comfortable day and really enjoying life. So I guess never be afraid to try something new, no matter how old you are. You don't have to be young to be adventurous. You can still be 52 years old and getting it done. So just a thought of the day.
What a great day of sailing. So yeah, we're just coming up into Despotiko now. And dropped the sails and looking forward to a nice night in Anchorage. So let's see how this goes. We were awakened by a bigger gust of wind and a side movement in the boat. Cass's anchor alarm started to go off. Yeah, we dragged 60 meters. The dinghy flipped and our outboard went straight into the water. So that happened. Yeah.
Huge thanks to our patrons for helping to make our adventure possible.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like and subscribe. And don't forget to join us next week.